Good evening, friends. Welcome to All Your Stomach channel. Today's title is procrastination. The major problem with people, they believe because of it they are not successful, is procrastination. Never justify a procrastination. What is it? Procrastination is the art of postponing something as a practice regularly. Always quote some reasons for it. Because of this, I didn't do that. Due to this, I got delayed. I missed it. Always taking a wrong turn whenever to delay something or to do something. It's a procrastination. How it happens? People slowly start enjoying the delaying process. Assuming there will be enough time to do things, it is a usual practice. It becomes a routine. I am proud of delaying. It gives me some sort of a satisfaction, whereas it gives annoyance to many people, disappointment to many people. What will be the effects of procrastination? Things will be delayed much because of you. You become a main cause of the overall delay. You will be branded as a lazy one. You are going to repent for this later on, and you may be ashamed of it later on. So why to have this shame? So procrastination is delaying or having some kind of a laziness in doing things. What is to be noted here is never assume you have more time for the task in hand. Deed should speak about you, okay, not you. Okay, your word should not be there, your deed should be talking about you. Do help others by not procrastinating. If you are not procrastinating, you are helping others. And you miss the satisfaction of doing things on time. Focus on work in hand, you get better, won't postpone it, and you won't procrastinate it. Well, what are the strategies to escape this procrastination? Make it a habit to prioritize the things. Which one is important, which one is not. Make a plan and implement it every day. First thing first. Important things first. Otherwise, it will become urgent. Urgent things to be done with planning. Always look for a pattern, plan, prioritize, and finish the things in time, on time, so that there won't be any procrastination. Treat yourself well after completing each things in time. You can give a pat to yourself or you can give a treat to yourself. Remember, on time every time will push your procrastination back. One important tool is necessary to avoid procrastination. That is time management. Time management is a wonderful technique so that you can save time. You can use your time optimistically, positively. You can save a lot of time. I'll give a few tidbits of time management. I can do a separate video on time management later. So get trained in simple and effective time management techniques first. The first and foremost golden rule is remove the clutter around you, remove the garbage around you, remove the unwanted things around you. Use a single organizer or a diary or a calendar to plan your personal things and also official things. Stick to your plan, what you have planned earlier, never postpone it, never procrastinate. And also learn the art of saying no for sure. If you say yes for everything, naturally there could be a delay. You can't say yes to all and be organized. You cannot say yes to everyone and at the same time you cannot save time and you cannot finish everything. You plan yourself better. Clutter management. If you have a clutter around you, it takes time to complete any task on time. Remove the clutter around you first. Start from your desktop PC. File management is almost important. Take care of your table drawers, showcases, file cabinets, paper files, folders, envelopes, flooring storage, boxes, etc. If you are removing the unwanted papers, clutters, multiple copies, duplicate copies of it, then you are ready for having start the time management technique. Learn the art of sorting and filing. Remove unwanted papers and file periodically. If you are good in clutter management, you can save a lot of time. So the procrastination can be solved by better planning. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Good day.